Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AK Nigam. First of all, I want to say something about myself. My name is AK Nigam and I am an Indian YouTuber. I want to say something about C language. So C is a general purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is a very popular language despite being old. C is strongly associated with Unix, as it was developed to write the Unix operating system. First of all of them, you want to ask me why we learned C language. So I give you the answer is it is one of the most popular programming language in the world, not only India but all over the world. If you know C, you will no problem learning other programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, C hash, etc. as the syntax is similar. First of all, that C is very fast compared to the other programming languages like Java and Python. C is very versatile. It can be used in both applications and technologies. So most of the subscribers ask to me what is the main difference between C and C++. So I would give you the answer. So C++ was developed as an extension of C, and both languages have almost the same syntax. The main difference C and C++ is that C++ support classes and objects while C does not. C it is very necessary. That means C is a very necessary language for premier programming experiences. So, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.